So the first legit app to earn money to install and play to earn games is the Swagbucks app. If you use PC or laptop device, you can use Swagbucks on your laptop, and if you use a smartphone or a mobile device, you can install the Swagbucks app to your Android or iOS device. Now, to earn $80 per app that you install and play games on, just sign up to Swagbucks using your Google ID or Apple ID. And once you log in, I want you to click where it says Discover and select the games option from there. That's gonna take you to this page where you can find different games to install and earn money online playing them. And here you can get anywhere from 250 Swagbucks points to 25,000 Swagbucks points. And the good thing is that you just need 300 Swagbuck points to take your first withdrawal of $3 in the form of any gift card like Apple gift card, Amazon gift cards, etc. If you want to take withdrawal in PayPal, you just need to earn 2,500 Swagbucks points to withdraw $25 to your PayPal. Swagbucks is available worldwide, and the good thing is that they show you the different payment options depending on your country. So you can be from any country around the world, and you can still take withdrawal from the Swagbucks. Below your country name, so that I can create more relevant videos for your guys. Also, like this video if you are getting some value here. Now, the second app will pay you the most amount of money for installing and playing games. But before I show you the second app, I would like to introduce the Money Clash Games app to you, who are also the sponsors of this video. Money Clash is a P2E, or Play to Earn Games app, that you can install on your smartphone from the Google Play Store to start earning money. So once you install it, I want you to just open it up, and it will show you a pop-up window to enter the bonus code to receive 400 coins that are equal to $2.50. And for the first 100 users who sign using the first link in the description of this video and the pinned comment, they will get $1 extra worth of coins credited to their account. And to make it fair for all of you guys, today I won't be leaving the bonus code in the description of this video, but I will hide it in this video. So only those who watch the complete video will be able to find the bonus code and receive the $3.50 in total. And the good thing is that you only need $5 to take your first withdrawal from this play to earn games app. So you just need to earn extra $1.50 to take your first payout from Money Clash, which is really easy to do with the bonus tips I will be showing you today. Now, to start earning money by playing this game, all you have to do is to click on this Start Level 1 button on the bottom of this page. They will show you some tutorial videos of how to drag and connect, how to cut to cancel, defense buildings, attack buildings, and how to apply boosters, which we will cover in a bit. So just click on Next to start playing this game. So the blue bank is the enemy, the green bank is our bank, and we need to take over the enemy bank, that is the blue bank. So for this, first we will create a path for the gray bank, because it is easy to win over gray bank, and it will help us to take over the blue bank. And once we win over the gray bank, we will create a path to the blue bank from both of our green banks, just like this. With this method, we will complete every level of this game. So as you can see, after completing this level, it will show us the option to multiply our earning by 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, or even by 5 times. But for this, we need to click on this claim button on the right time. So as you can see, we got a chance to multiply our earnings by 2 times for watching this 5 to 10 seconds ad, which we can skip by pressing this cross icon. And as you can see, we are credited with the 2 times more money than what we earned in the previous level. And we are on the second level of the game. As the levels increase, the difficulty to complete the level will also increase. So to complete this level, we need to use some bonus tips. Otherwise, as you can see, we cannot win these levels. So the first thing is to draw the path to the gray bank, of course. And then the first bonus tip is to click on this attack booster from the bottom, watch an ad, and the booster will be available for us to use. So to apply this booster, we just need to click on it. And as you can see, it will highlight the enemy banks. So we just need to select the booster and select the enemy bank we need to target. And these big money boosters will destroy the enemy bank. As you can see, now we are winning this level because the blue bank has turned into the green bank already. Now we just need to take over the yellow bank. But it is attacking our small green bank, so we will apply another booster here, which is the defense booster. So just select it from here and it will highlight all of our green banks. We just need to select the one we need to provide defense to, just like you are seeing on your screen. It is now closed and no one can attack it now. And with that, we completed this level also. And now we can multiply our earnings again by pressing this claim button and watching a simple 5 to 10 seconds ad, which you can close from here. And as you can see, I have been credited with the 4,000 more money coins to my account. And we are now on the 4th level of this game. So let's resume the game and play it just like I taught you right now. We will first try to take over the gray banks in this game, and then we will attack our enemy blue bank. We will use the boosters from the bottom by watching a simple ad. The boosters will be available for us, which we can apply like this, just like you are seeing on your screen right now. Just like this, we can apply another booster by watching an ad. And as you can see, the attack booster is also available for us now, so we can apply it from here. And we can watch an ad again and again to gain the booster and to apply them to our level, so that we can win this level and earn money online. And as you can see, we are winning this level again. And here we completed this level, so let's just multiple our earnings again by watching an ad. And as you can see, I have a total credit of over 413,000 coins in my account. And now we are on the 5th level of this game. And the second bonus tip is, instead of watching ad for each and every booster separately, we can just click on this gift ad box. That will help us to earn coins and to get some boosters for complete free. So let's click on it, watch an ad, and close it from there. And as you can see, we got some more boosters for completely free, and we also got 2,000 coins credited to our account. Now I would like to show you how our third booster called the change actually works. So just select it from there and it will highlight all of our green banks in this level. And we just need to select the one we want to change. So let's change this 2930 bank from there. It will change to circular shape, and now it will start sending the defense money army to other banks, which you can recognize with these red color defense tools. Now if you apply the change booster once again to the same bank building, it will change into triangular shape and it will start sending the attacking money army, which will not only defend the bank but also attack through the enemy army and take over the targeted enemy bank, just like you are seeing on your screen. And as you can see, we completed this level also, so let's multiple our earnings again by watching an ad. And this time we have over 421,000 coins in our account. So if you use all the boosters and the gift ads box, you will easily win all the levels of this. You will complete the level just like I did right now in front of you guys. And then you will multiply your earnings by watching a simple ad so that you can earn 10 times more money than others. And now if you want to earn even more money, what you can do is to go to the main menu by pressing this button. That's going to take you to the home page of this gaming app. And from there, I want you to click on this yellow icon from the left. It will show you that you can get paid $2.50 for creating a simple TikTok video about the Money Clash app. So just press the rules from there, and here you can read the rules that you need to create a 15 to 45 seconds video. You need to cover everything from how to find the game on Play Store to how to withdraw money from it. You need to copy the tags from the yellow icon page and paste them into your TikTok video, and you will get paid $2.50 for that. You can even create a YouTube Shorts video for that, and you don't need any followers for this. You will get $2.50 for every TikTok video or YouTube Shorts video you create. So the more videos you create, the more money you will make. And the most important thing, the bonus code to earn over 400,000 coins is the free money, which you can enter in this box just like this and press the OK button right here. And you will be credited with the 400,000 coins into your account. Now let me earn some good amount of money here so that I can share with you my withdrawal proof from the Money Clash app. So as you can see, I have earned over 3 million coins by playing different levels of this game that I can withdraw from the Money Clash app by pressing this green dollar icon on the left. So as you can see here, from the top we can select our different payment methods. So we have PayPal, Payeer, Gcash, and the Binance payment method. You can choose any payment method you like. I like PayPal the most, so I will choose PayPal from there. Next, you can see that we can withdraw only a fixed amount of money from here. So we can either withdraw $5, which will require us to exchange our 1 million coins. We can withdraw $10 in exchange for 1.5 million coins, or we can withdraw $20 for just 3 million coins from our account. The more money you withdraw, the less amount of coins per dollar you will sacrifice. So example, to withdraw $5, we get $1 in exchange for our 200,000 coins. Whereas to withdraw $20, we get $1 in exchange for our 150,000 coins only. So I am going with the $20 option from there. And on this page, I just need to enter my PayPal email ID and the phone number registered with my PayPal account, and then just click on the send button right here. And as you can see, the balance of 3 million coins has been deducted from my account, and I will be credited with the money within 3 to 5 days. So let's wait for it. And you can see that I have been credited with the $20 to my PayPal account, which was sent by the Money Clash game partner. Once again, I will leave a link to Money Clash in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install the app from there and start to make money online from today itself. Now the second app on our list is the FreeCash app. FreeCash is one of the best get paid to app out there that you can use to earn money by installing different apps and playing different games. Once you sign up to FreeCash, you can just go to the offers from the left and select the games option from there. That's going to show you different games that you can install and earn money playing those games. Here you can see that you can easily get paid over $80 per games app you install. I have also earned over $60 on the FreeCash app, and most of my subscribers from different countries like the United States, India, Philippines, and other countries around the world have already earned over $100 on FreeCash. And if you want to see my live withdrawal proof from FreeCash, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.